following video by Multifoils Direct will display how to achieve a 0.15 U value on flat roof applications. 0.15 is an extremely popular U value to achieve when going through building control. The video is displaying the detail for flat roofs, however you can use a very similar makeup and achieve the same U value on pitch roofs. The build-up is displaying a triple layer of our YBS SuperQuilt. YBS SuperQuilt is the highest performing UK manufactured multifoil on the market, boasting a BDA and BDA certificate. One of the main benefits of this detail is there is no requirement for bulky, rigid PIR insulation such as Kingspan or Celotex. So here you can see the 3-layer system. The first layer of the SuperQuilt has been installed from the external of the joists. It's been recessed between the timbers, meaning you can put your OSB and rubber roof directly on top, without the use of any timber. The next 2 layers of SuperQuilt are installed from the internal. The middle layer is stapled into place with a staple gun with 14mm staples, and we recommend to staple at 300mm intervals. Like the top layer, the middle layer is also recessed between the joists, creating an even air cavity both sides of the multifoil, allowing SuperQuilt to properly expand and reflect. You'll see now that the multifoil is also taped and sealed. It's essential to tape and seal SuperQuilt as it will work as a high-performing vapor control layer, reducing the risk of condensation. The main benefit of SuperQuilt is that the fibres are completely itch-free, meaning there is no requirement for any protective clothing or masks throughout the project. So you can see that the third and final layer of SuperQuilt is being installed. We recommend to staple this as a flat, taut, continuous layer to the underside of the joists. You would install this with the same methods as before, stapling at 300mm intervals and overlapping the product by 50mm, and then taping and sealing with our 75mm Thermoseal foil joining tape. The next step is to install 25mm battens to the underside of the joist at approximately 400mm intervals. Now, if you're using spotlights, you may consider to use a deeper timber batten to prevent cutting the insulation. The final step is to install your choice of plasterboard. If you use a standard 12.5mm plasterboard, this will achieve the building regulations. However, you may wish to use a thicker, deeper insulated plasterboard for further improved benefits.